What if I told you that Earth, yeah, this blue marble we call home, only exists because of a violent cosmic accident? Billions of years ago, there were no trees, no oceans, not even dirt, just chaos. But somehow, out of all that fire and destruction, came life. This is the mind-blowing story of how Earth was born. 4.6 billion years ago, the sun was just a newborn star. And around it, there was this massive disk of gas and dust spinning like, well, a cosmic blender. Bits of rock slammed into each other, sometimes fusing, sometimes shattering apart. These collisions created planetesimals, basically baby planets. And Earth? It was one of them. But honestly, it didn't start like you think. Back then, Earth was just a scorching ball of molten rock, constantly pummeled by meteorites the size of cities. But here's the wild part. Earth almost didn't make it. A planet the size of Mars called Theia was orbiting dangerously close. And one day, boom! Theia crashed into the young Earth with unimaginable force. The impact vaporized both planets' crusts and sent debris flying into space. But from that chaos, a miracle happened. That debris formed our moon. And without the moon, no tides, no stable seasons, probably no life at all. After the Theia impact, Earth was a glowing hellscape of lava oceans and toxic gases, but slowly, it cooled. Volcanoes belched water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen into the atmosphere. And then, it rained. For millions of years. Those rains filled the craters and basins left behind by the bombardments, creating oceans. Lightning sparked. Hydrothermal vents bubbled. The ingredients for life were stewing in Earth's brand new oceans. And then somehow life emerged. We're talking single-celled organisms, so small you'd miss them even under a microscope. They didn't need oxygen, they didn't need sunlight. But they changed everything. These little survivors began shaping the planet. Some even started photosynthesis, breathing in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. And slowly, Earth's skies turned blue. With oxygen in the air and water covering most of the surface, Earth was becoming a paradise. Continents formed. Plate tectonics reshaped the surface like a living puzzle. Plants evolved. Then fish. Then dinosaurs. Then us. But remember, none of this happens without that one insane cosmic collision. So next time you look up at the moon, remember it's the scar of our planet's greatest battle. And the reason we're even here at all. Earth wasn't created in peace. It was forged in fire. And out of that fire came everything.